Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G05, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. For me, that is going to be the home screen, which is already open and visible on my screen. Once the content that you want to capture is open, simply hold the power button and volume down at the same time, like so. You get this flash along with a pop-up with edit, share, Google Lens and delete options visible for a brief moment, and after a moment it will disappear. Once this pop-up disappears, you can find your screenshot by navigating into your Photos application and navigating to I believe Photos should have it, but it might be much easier to just navigate to Collections and then select Screenshots, and in Screenshots you'll find it right over here. So here's the screenshot that I have captured just a moment ago. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.